like to share my video review on this floating dock, at which my puppy is greatly enjoying being on as well. So some of the components that come with it, of course, are the floating dock, which we just blew up. I actually used a little bit bigger pump that I have for my inflatables in the background to get it up to the 0 PSI. And then we finished off with the pump that they came with to get it to the 6 PSI. It went really fast. I was very impressed. It also came with an extra ring. Other things that come with this are your storage bag or your carrying bag if you're going to be deflating this dock and taking it with you on different places. You actually have 2 water squirters. My boys are going to love that. You have your repair kit, which is super handy. And then of course your instructions, a rope that you can use for anchoring it, and then also an anchor bag at which you can stick rocks in, strap it shut. It's got a nice little closure on it. Strap it shut and then tie it to the mat. So I'm actually going to be using this floating dock as like a swim step in between 2 of my inflatables out on the water. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So when I purchased this dock, things that I was looking for were the rings. So like you've got one there, and on that corner you've got 3 different ones. I was very pleased to see 2 on this side because as far as attaching it to other inflatables, those are going to be really important. You also have corner handles, which are really nice. You have some more ties on this end, and then of course corners. And then here is your fill. So you just untwist this, and then it has that type of a fitting so that you can, fill it up and deflate it. It's all set up in between our 2 inflatables. Should work out pretty slick.